Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit, and this is required to develop any Java application or to develop any Java based automation scripts. Okay, there is another thing that is JRE, that stands for Java Runtime Environment. So JRE is required to run any Java application, but whereas if we want to develop any automation scripts, or if we want to build a new software or a website, especially Java based, then we need Java Development Kit. Okay, currently on my machine I have Java 11, which is old version of Java. Currently the version that is available, or the recent version of Java, is 23. But for this video I want to install Java 17 version. Okay, and in your machines maybe now you might be, or you must be having some version of Java, or if you do not know if it is already installed or not, you can check it by checking the version of Java that you are running on your machine. So how do we do that? Go to Windows search and enter CMD, that is for command prompt. Hit enter. On the command prompt, enter Java hyphen version. Right, so here you see Java version 11.0.16. So that is the version that is I currently have on my machine. You may be having a different version, or there is no Java available, so, or no Java installed, then you will get a different message. Okay, and now let's go and download the version of JDK which we want to install. And for that, go to any browser, search for JDK downloads or download, and the very first link we have is Oracle, from Oracle, and we can download JDK from Oracle website. So I'm clicking on this Oracle JDK 23, and here we are on JDK downloads page. And before that, it is saying, would you like to visit an Oracle country site closer to you? No thanks, I will stay here. Visit Oracle United States. Okay, I live in US and I want to connect to United States site, but behind this I see a different language. Maybe that is Russian, which we can see here. So I want to change that to United States. In your case, that could be a different, or you might directly see it in English version. But let me switch to English version or United States site. Okay, we are on a different page, but no worries. We can go to that download page from here, resources, and here we see Java downloads. Clicking on Java downloads, we are back on that downloads page, and here we see Java 23, Java 21, and earlier versions are available now to download. But for this particular button or menu option is selected for JDK 23. That's the reason if you click on any of these links, that is going to download 23 of a version of JDK. So if we want to download 21, we click on this and we will download that. But we are looking for 17, which we can find by scrolling down a bit. And here we see Java 17, Java 11, Java 8 also available in order to in order to download. So I want to download the Java 17, and here we have different operating systems options, Linux, Mac OS, Windows. Since we want to install on Windows, I am selecting Windows, but if you are a Mac user or Linux user, you can select those appropriate buttons and then download the JDK version. So I have selected Windows now. For Windows, we have these three links available. One is a zip version, .exe file version, and .msi version. I always prefer downloading exe, double clicking and installing. So I'm clicking on exe link. Okay, it is asking us to agree the license agreement. So selecting that and clicking on this button. All right. So it is now asking us to sign in order to continue with our download. If you do not have an account, Oracle account already, then you can do so by clicking on this create account. You can create your own account by clicking this button. In my case, I already have an account, so I will be using that to log in. Password. Okay. I don't want to save the password. The download has now started. Meanwhile, while it is downloading, let us go to the downloads folder. It is where it is going to get downloaded. We can also go by clicking folder option from here also. I think that is now ready. Selecting this folder option, and here we are in downloads folder, and we have the exe file ready to be installed. So we will just double click on this exe file and we will start our installation. Yeah, it is asking if we want to allow the changes to be made on our machine by Java development kit. I'm saying yes. If you select no in the previous window, then it won't go further. Because I selected yes, I gave the permission to install. We are now in the next screen. Selecting next. I would like to keep the same folder location. Next. This may take a couple of seconds to complete the installation. Now we got the message as installation, JDK kit successfully installed. So I will be clicking close. Now if we go to the command prompt and hit again the in order to find out the version of Java we have, Java-version, we are now getting the version as 17.013. So that means our Java version has been updated, and the current version of Java or JDK that we have on our machine is 17. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.